Hey Alex, it's Watson here at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine, and I thank you for inquiring about this beautiful GLB 250, and I wanted to give you a nice personalized video walk around. So the camera's going to do kind of a walk around on the outside. As you can see, this is the polar white finish mated with a black AMBIENT interior. The AMBIENT is that extremely durable Mercedes-Benz vinyl type material. Now notice the wheels. That's got the really beautiful AMG body styling, which includes those particular black 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. It's also got the night package, so instead of having chrome on the outside, it's all blacked out, so it really gives it a nice black and white theme. You will notice there's cameras underneath the mirrors because there's a 360-degree camera system that works in conjunction with the park assist system, but you can also see out the sides, out the back, out the front. Makes it quite easy. And of course this is a 4MATIC, which is a very sophisticated 4-wheel drive system. Opening up the back, you'll notice how nice and low the load-in height is. Makes it very easy to add things. The seats can fold completely flat if you need that extra area. Because of the square shape of the GLB, it has incredibly good visibility out the rear. When you're driving, you can really see where you're going. So from the remote control or from this button, we can do a close on that. And so let's kind of take a look around the interior. All right, so here we are in the interior. Now I want you to notice that the material, this is the Dynamic interior, and it's kind of a suede feel. So when you're sitting in it, it really does hold your body into the seat. Nice structure around the sides. These seats can actually be extended for extra thigh support. That's wonderful depending on your body size and what feels comfortable to you. Up front, you have your dual 10.2-inch screens, which you can adjust, of course, your navigation and everything in this. This does have the multimedia package, which includes the fantastic built-in navigation system, the 360-degree camera, which we talked about. And notice the beautiful trim that runs around. That's kind of like a carbon graphite weave type of trim. Very modern, very classy at the same time. Now when the camera moves up, this is that oversized dual panoramic roof. And for a darker interior vehicle like this, it kind of opens up the feel. This is a wonderful car to drive. This turbocharged 4-cylinder's got plenty of power, plenty of torque. The leather wrap wheel just feels really good. This is one of my favorite SUVs in the Mercedes-Benz line. So if you have any more questions, if I can run any particular numbers, I'd be happy to help. Give me a call. My number is 207-510-2284. I'm Watson. This is Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Thank you.